and it was Marcus.
There are witnesses going both ways, some saying that he kicked the victim in the head, other witnesses saying that he kicked him in the stomach, and then some witnesses saying that he didn't kick him at all.
William McKinney is defending Marcus Raines against the murder charge.
There's an issue as to exactly what causes his death for the night. There are statements that when he fell, when he was initially struck, he hit his head on the sidewalks. That potentially could have caused the later death.
The autopsy report lists the official cause of death as a blunt trauma to the head. Chris's skull had been fractured, his brain was partially dislodged and bleeding.
To me, the evidence is very clear. I don't have any question about it that Mr. Woods was not involved in either hitting or kicking or responsible for the death of Mr. O'Leary.
James Blatt says his client, Rodney Woods, was held back when the fight broke out.
It relieves him of legal responsibility. Naturally, there's a moral responsibility here.
Is there remorse on Rodney Woods' part?
Absolutely. I don't think any one of these young men had any idea that this would end in his death.
He was talking with Richard, and they were laughing and like reenacting it for everyone, joking around about it. So they're not remorseful. They're just cowards.
A frightening, heart-wrenching story, and yet this might only be the tip of the iceberg. Up next, as Christopher O'Leary's family tries to cope.
They should have known that when someone's down, the game is ended.
Experts try to make sense of the violence.
If you don't control that kind of crap, if you let that kind of stuff go on, then that becomes what's okay.
Death, sorrow, and revenge in the high desert when our story continues.